you sick and tired of going to your kitchen every day and making the same thing over and over again? Well, then get out of your kitchen.
I'm Scott Peasley, this is Wild Generation, and today we're making venison tacos over a fire.
All right, lock in your time machine seatbelts. We're going back in time. So before you go to the woods, you need to make a marinade. You're gonna soak your venison in this taco marinade for about 3 hours in the refrigerator prior to going out and cooking. You can soak it for longer, it's totally up to you. But what it's gonna involve is you need some fat, because venison is very, very lean. We're gonna put in a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're gonna add in the ground venison. This is from a deer that I got last year. And once that's in there, we're gonna mix it with our hands. It's a lot easier to fold in the marinade with your hands than it is to use a spoon or some other kitchen device. This way, you just fold it over and smush your hands through it. Just make sure that you wash your hands before and after. And now is the challenge of trying to find a place to put it in the refrigerator. So now we're gonna build up a fire and then let it reduce to coals. And while that's happening, we're gonna cut up our red onion. We're gonna slice a red pepper in just little lines and then chop up some cilantro. Ta-da! Then we're gonna cut up some lime that we can just squeeze on top. So our fire's been reduced to coals. We put on our cast iron skillet, add some more olive oil, and put in our marinated venison. Already smells delicious.
Hey Dario,
Yes?
you ever had a fire roasted tomato before?
No. I have a green fried tomato.
Let's literally fire roasted tomato.
Let's see what happens. Yeah, that's why I brought the tongs.
While we're fire roasting that tomato, we're also going to add in a red onion and a yellow pepper and let those roast as well. That way we have options between raw and fire roasted. Stir up that venison.
Look at my glove.
I thought it was asbestos glove, the one the firefighter
It's
used.
on fire. Oh, it's fantastic.
It's awesome. That's good.
So you can't really dice a fire roasted tomato.
We're going like Mexican, other than the fact that we got it from all over. So we're gonna have a corn tortilla with some venison, not just some venison, lots of venison. Maybe not that much venison, that's too much venison. This.
You put too much stuff in mine. I don't know how to describe it. There is nothing like it. So I can't say tastes like that or tastes like chicken.
Yeah.
Tastes like awesomeness.
What is it? The Cinco de Mayo today?
So tonight when I came, I saw Scott jumping on sticks to break them. Of course, I'm a city boy. The first thing I said, I have a saw in my car. Wild Generation doesn't use any tools.
Thank you for watching this episode of Wild Generation. Please consider liking and subscribing for all things outdoors. Get outside, make yourself some venison tacos, and generate the wild within.